Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Painting Robot is probably one of the most revolutionary inventions in the automated painting industry, offering unparalleled precision, efficiency, and consistency across various applications. From automotive manufacturing to large-scale construction projects, this incredible machine is transforming how we approach painting tasks, delivering superior results while significantly reducing labor costs and improving overall productivity. This video will explore the capabilities and benefits of this game-changing technology, helping you decide if it's the right investment for your needs. Number 5. Brain Games Robot Stickers. It's time for some creative fun. This sticker book is filled with robot-themed stickers, perfect for sparking your child's imagination. These aren't just stickers, they're puzzles. Each sticker is a piece of a larger robot puzzle, challenging your child to problem solve and build. Watch as your child develops their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination while having a blast. It's educational entertainment at its best. It's compact and portable, making it ideal for car rides, doctor's appointments, or any time your child needs a fun and engaging activity. This sticker book provides hours of entertainment. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The puzzles encourage your child to think critically and strategically, enhancing their problem-solving abilities. What we like. It's a fun and engaging way for children to learn the alphabet while developing their fine motor skills. If you are looking for an educational and entertaining activity for your kids, you should consider this. It's perfect for keeping little ones busy and fostering their creativity. This is ideal for parents who want to combine learning with play. What people say. Vibrant colors, great detail, easy-to-peel stickers, an array of different robots. 4-year-old completed it in one day. The sticker sizes are perfect for his little hands and is just challenging enough that he feels a great sense of accomplishment when he's done a page. Very cute illustrations and fun-looking robots. My son almost got the whole thing done at first. He just loved to make robots with stickers. It's very good for quiet time and concentration. Number 4. Banksy Robot Graffiti Decal. This unique decal brings the edgy style of Banksy to your space. It's a high-quality vinyl sticker, perfect for adding a touch of urban art to any room. Personalize it. Choose your own colors for the decal. Simply send us a message after your purchase to let us know your preferences. At 31x31, it's a statement piece. Make sure to measure your surface to ensure it fits perfectly before applying. It's designed for easy application on clean, smooth surfaces. Plus, it removes cleanly without leaving any residue. Made from high-quality vinyl, it's built to last. We guarantee it will stay vibrant and stick tight for up to 7 years. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 10-year guarantee for replacement or a full refund, giving you peace of mind. What we like. It offers a unique and personalized way to decorate your space. If you like to add a personal touch to your home decor, you should consider this. Its durable material ensures it stays vibrant for years, making it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for those who appreciate unique art and long-lasting quality. What people say. Excellent accent piece hanging out around the corner. Fun and interesting conversation starter. Used it for my son's room and it looks really cool. Number 3. Shark RV 1001 AEIQ Robot. It has a self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days worth of dirt and debris. No more messy disposal bags to buy or change. It boasts powerful suction to tackle all kinds of messes, from large debris to pet hair, on any floor type. The self-cleaning brush roll ensures consistent performance, preventing hair wrap and always delivering deep cleaning. Control it via the app, or use voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant to schedule cleanings or target specific areas. It maps your entire home, allowing you to select which rooms to clean, whenever you want. It cleans methodically, row by row, and room by room, ensuring complete home coverage. It automatically returns to its dock to recharge and resumes cleaning where it left off, for uninterrupted cleaning. What we like. It simplifies your cleaning routine with its self-emptying base and smart features. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient way to keep your home clean, you should consider this. Its powerful suction and smart mapping ensure thorough cleaning, saving you time and effort. This is perfect for busy individuals or families who value convenience and a spotless home. What people say. The suction power is phenomenal, effortlessly picking up dust, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hardwood floors. I love how it navigates around furniture and obstacles with ease, ensuring that every corner of my home gets cleaned. The self-emptying base is a fantastic feature, saving me time and effort while keeping the vacuum running efficiently. Number 2. Monsters and Robots Game. Get ready for intense action. You'll command powerful monsters and robots in epic clashes. It's a fight for supremacy. Choose your side, monstrous mayhem or robotic precision. Build your ultimate team and lead them to victory. It's more than just button mashing. Master strategic combat to outmaneuver your opponents and dominate the battlefield. Each monster and robot has unique powers. Learn to use them effectively to turn the tide of battle. Conquer challenging levels and defeat powerful bosses. Prove your skills and become the ultimate champion. Immerse yourself in a world of breathtaking detail. The graphics are stunning and the action is non-stop. With endless replayability and exciting challenges, it offers hours of fun for players of all skill levels. What we like. It sparks imagination and creativity through its unique monster and robot designs. If you are looking for a visually appealing and imaginative book for your children, you should consider this. It's perfect for kids who love monsters and robots and enjoy creative storytelling. This is ideal for parents who want to encourage their children's imagination and love for reading. What people say. Buckethead wears a lot of hats as a musician, metaphorically speaking. Only metaphorically, of course. The bucket itself is likely replaced on a regular, sanitary basis, but it is fundamentally the same hat bucket. When one says that a person wears many hats, it is a metaphor for alternating between many jobs or roles, and buckets aside, that metaphor is quite appropriate for Buckethead. Monsters and Robots is a diverse collection of creative and sometimes experimental rock. Buckethead has a style all his own. He blends several genres and does it while remaining original. Jumpman and Nunchaku Kata stand out with their great riffs, but the entire CD is excellent work. Fien Scheib mit Illustren Gassen wie ZB Les Claypool und Bernie Whirl. Nicht die typisch von Buckethead aber für Michigan ein der Bessen. Fusion, Rock, Electro, Funkig Vermain de Alice zu erkennen. Gitarrenshredding, Abjafarin Soli, Interessant Arrangements, etc., pages. Number 1. Robot Drawing Tutorial. Hi there, young artists. Get ready to learn how to draw some amazing robots, step by step. It's easier than you think. Let's start with the robot's body. It can be a simple rectangle or a more complex shape, get creative. Now, add a head on top. You can make it round, square, or any shape you like. Let your imagination run wild. Time for the arms. Draw 2 extending from the body. They can be long, short, thick, or thin. Next, let's add some legs. These can be similar to the arms, or you can make them different. Experiment with different styles. Finally, add some details. Give it antennas, buttons, lights, anything that makes it unique. You've created your own robot. Congratulations! You've successfully drawn your own robot. Now show off your amazing artwork. What we like. It provides a simple and fun way for kids to learn how to draw robots. If you are looking for a creative activity for your kids, you should consider this. It's perfect for children who enjoy drawing and learning new skills. This is ideal for parents who want to encourage their children's artistic talents. What people say. Jumps right into the drawing steps with visuals and no words. The line color changes with each step. Very easy to follow. Some robots are easy to draw, some are harder, but they're all fun. My 6-year-old really enjoyed it and we have a fun time doing the shapes together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.